lost their mind. People around of you just lost the vision of what really matters and what is just something to fulfill, to be part of a tribe. But you tell yourself it doesn't matter. Let it go, it means nothing to me. It doesn't matter. Let it go. Your soul is so free, so you just dance under the moonlight. Dance tonight. You feel the weight, the value of your dreams. You are still young, you have a chance to live. Live your life, can't sleep. Live your life as you wish. You don't really care to be like them. They try to convince you to be part of a tribe, but you feel inside it doesn't matter. Waste the time, it means nothing to you. His soul is appearance, let it go. Your soul is so free, so you just